Are you heading off on holiday? Keep your indoor plants happy while you're away with these simple tips. Start by giving your plants a good feed and a thorough watering before you leave. A little pre-chip TLC goes a long way. For added water retention, mix in water retention crystals to the soil. These clever little gems absorb and release water as needed, keeping your plants hydrated while you're away. If your plants are missing mulch, sphagnum moss is a great alternative. It locks in moisture and keeps the roots cool. Boost the humidity around your plants with pebbles. This helps maintain moisture levels around your plants, preventing them from drying out while you're away. Place the pebbles in a shallow tray, add water, and set your pots on top. As the water evaporates, it creates a gentle humidity boost, perfect for tropical plants. You can even create your own DIY watering system. Simply place a water-filled container next to your potted plants, ensuring it sits higher than the pots. Soak your string in water and run a length to each pot. Tie one end of the string to a stone and place in the water and press the other end of the string into the soil. The water will slowly drip into the soil, providing just the right amount of hydration while you're away. It's an easy, hands-off solution for thirstier plants. With these simple tricks, you and your plants will enjoy a stress-free holiday. Find everything you need to prep your plants for your next getaway at your local GCA Garden Centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to locate one near you.